Hey everyone, welcome back to Mani Maker. So you're all ready to start cutting, but your Cricut blade is stuck? Yeah, I know it's super frustrating, but don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get the blade unstuck and back to cutting like a champ. And hey, if you need some extra help, just give us a call at the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Alright, let's fix the thing. First, turn off your Cricut machine completely. This is super important for safety. Don't skip this step. Now, let's get to that stuck blade. Open clamp B carefully and gently remove the fine point blade from the housing. Then, grab a piece of aluminium foil from your kitchen. You'll want to tear off a piece that's roughly the size of your palm. Then, crumble it up into a tight ball. Make sure it's nice and compact, but not so hard that it's completely solid. This little foil ball is going to be your cleaning tool. Take out the blade housing and tap the blade tip into a ball of aluminium foil for about 20 to 40 times. This helps remove buildup and improves cutting performance. Reinsert the fine point blade, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Close clamp B firmly and test your machine with a simple cut on scrap material to confirm the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.